Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Simple and delicious is my theme, and we're certainly following that today. 3 items: asparagus, prosciutto, and cream cheese. This is an excellent appetizer or a side to any meal. I used to do it with just asparagus and prosciutto, and a buddy of mine, Mo, hey Mo, he says, you gotta try it with cream cheese. I've been doing it ever since. You're gonna love it. We'll put these together, whip them out in the barbecue. We're down here in Florida. It's 80 and sunny and beautiful. So why not go outside and do it? Let's put these together. So make sure your asparagus is cleaned. And we don't want to eat this end, the gnarly end. So you're going to about 3/4 of the way through, just kind of bend it, and it breaks very easily apart. You can do a couple at a time. About 3/4 of the way down, bend, and it just snaps. Discard these, and we'll use those. It's that easy. I've got my prosciutto laid out. Sometimes when your prosciutto comes out of the package, it may not come out easily. It may come out in 2 pieces, like this one. Not to worry. Lay them down beside each other. It will tighten up when you're cooking it. Spread a little bit of cream cheese. I like to use a spoon. I'm using Chive and Onion here. Gives it a little extra flavor. And just use the tip of your spoon. Kind of gently spread it along, like so. Do the last one here. Now, I like to start at this end and put it on a slight angle. So when you're rolling it up, it will work its way towards the bottom. And then that way you cover more of your asparagus. Like so. Cover it up. Then we're going to take these out to the barbecue. They don't take long at all, medium to high heat. Maybe about 10-15 minutes. So I've got several of them prepped, like so. Don't they look delicious? Let's get out to the barbecue. Okay, we're putting the prosciutto wrapped asparagus on the grill. We just want to brown those up. I don't want to get that asparagus too soft. I want it still with a little bit of a crunch. We'll roll those over several times till they get all nicely browned up. The prosciutto wraps around it nicely. So they're starting to brown up nicely now. We're going to give them a roll over. Coming along nicely. Oh my, aren't they looking delicious? I think it's about time to take them off and plate them up. There they are, all plated up. Don't they look delicious? Hey folks, there's another simple and delicious recipe completed. If you like my videos, log into YouTube and hit the red subscribe button. You'll be notified when I come out with a new video every Monday. These took about 11 minutes on the barbecue, medium to high heat. You can also do those in the oven. 400 degrees, about the same time. Roll them over halfway. Well, the best time is now. I get to try the goods. They look delicious. Oh. Oh my. You're gonna love them. Until next time, thanks for coming out to In the Kitchen with Pete. See ya.